everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's time for another plan with Vivi. This week we're planning January 14th through the 20th in my Erin Condren Lifeplanner, and this week we are using the kit by Petticoat Bandit. It is the Plan to Succeed kit, and with that I've got some washi tape that I pulled out. This is like more of a dark purpley, and then the more of like a lavender lilac-y color that we're going to use here on the sidebar and in the side of the coil as well. I also have some of my trusty tools that I love so much. I've got my Martha Stewart scissors. I have the small ones and the large ones as well. Those are very good for cutting the deco off. And so I have those two tools. I have my slice tool right here, my slice tool, which I love so much. And then for the first time, I'm going to be using the Tombow mono correction tape, the hybrid style, to white out here towards the bottom. And sometimes I will use it in between. It just depends if the sticker is going to show through. I was using the Staples one, and I ran out, and these right now are on sale for a 10-pack on Amazon. I think you get it for like $11, which is not bad at all. And since I have Amazon Prime, the shipping is free. So I got these, and so we're going to try these out. I see a lot of planner gals use this, so we're going to see how it works out today. I also have my trusty tweezers. I know a lot of people, you know, I've let my nails grow some, and I just cannot get the hang of using my nails as tweezers for the smaller stickers. I still use the tweezers. So with that being said, we're going to show you the kit that we're going to use and then get started planning, so stay tuned. Alright, so like always, I'm always going to put down that thicker glitter washi on my sidebar. And I think this ended up being a brand new color that I hadn't used before, so it took me a little bit to get it going, but you know, we finally got the end and we have it laying down. Next thing is to put that skinny glitter washi next to the coil. And then doing the same thing on the reverse side. I always leave that edge of the page with the thicker washi that I put down to do like that's like the very last thing that I do, just because those stickers tend to run into the washi, so I always want to put the washi on top of it. So next thing I'm going to do is lay down the bottom sticker-like washi on both sides, using the glitter washi to butt up right next the sticker, to butt the sticker right up next to the edge, and then just lay it down. For me, it's just the best way to get it down perfectly and making sure that it is even. I also take that nice little tinier strip with the bows on it. I actually ran over those little bows with my Jelly Roll clear Stardust pen and trim that off, and then we're going to do the same to the other side. I did use the whiteouts to get rid of the dots that were there. I don't do it for all of the dots, I just do it for the top one. It doesn't bother me so much that you can see the dots on that bottom thicker part of the washi, but up at the very top closer to the full box stickers, it does. Why? I don't know. To each their own, right? So putting up the page flags up on the top and then going and laying down that sidebar sticker. I did glitter the quote that's in that box, And it says, "A dream without a plan is just a wish," and I thought that was really cute. I went ahead and put the other part of the washi on that sidebar just in case I didn't go all the way down. It had some of that pattern still going there. And now I'm going through my full boxes. There were a couple of sets of full boxes there because I did have all the skin tones available. So I am pulling out the ones that I am going to use, and I am laying down the full boxes at the bottom. And I am just edging them up to that bottom washi sticker there and just matching them up inside between the lines and laying them down. For me, that is the easiest way to do it. I've tried doing it from the top, getting it right with those dots up at the top, and for me, it just, for some reason, I always lay them down crooked. So edging them up from the bottom and laying them, going to like pushing them or laying them down as I'm pressing them upward works best for me. And I'm going to put down the dates onto the day covers, and I am using the day covers from BeaYoutiful planning. Those are like my favorite day dots. Sometimes I use the ones in the kit, but for the most part I like the ones from BeaYoutiful planning. Now I'm laying down one of those fancy banners and putting in the schedule header. That way I can lay out my work schedule. And then I start to put down the sticker, then I realized I really didn't like seeing the lines in there. So I went ahead and just ran white out over those lines and laid down that Monday through Sunday sticker. Next thing I am looking for is for another fancy banner, and I put down the tracking header in that. And then I'm going to lay down some habit trackers. And for this spread, I only used 3. I put one down for cleansing my face or my skincare. I did one for coffee because I have to have coffee every day. And then another one for pet care for my cute and adorable gray tabby cat. And his name is Hades. I almost said orange tabby cat, but that's his brother, and my parents have him. Now I am laying down the day covers up at the top. They're really cute. I like the font on these day covers. It feels so fancy. And I think using the day covers from BeaYoutiful Planning went perfectly for them. The ones that came with the kit just I wanted the day to pop. And the background color for the day sticker matched the background for the day, for the covers on there just a little too well, and I wanted the day to stand out, so that's what I did there. So I'm taking some glitter headers and putting them down above the full boxes. And since I used the lighter color of the that nice pale pink glitter header, I went ahead and I did white out the dots. And that way it just makes it pop a little bit more. You don't see that shadowing of those dots underneath. And so now I'm going to lay down the dinner stickers. And I kind of like that these little appointment stickers have like the little icons on the side. I just wish there were a bit more of those actual stickers. That way I can, most of the time I end up having enough to do my dinners and my TV shows when I use a kit from this shop, from Print Petticoat Bandit. it depends on what shows I've got going on. So if it's like deep and heavy, like TV season, then I don't have enough covers. But for the most part, I do. So now I am going down and I am putting the Little Things header underneath the day covers. And I just like to edge that up flush underneath the sticker. So now we're going to go back and do a day by day. So starting off with Monday, and at first I was looking to see if I had any stickers from Clever Gal Crafts to see if I had any mini drizzle dots that would go, and instead I decided to use the little arrows that came with the kit. So the first thing I've got going on Monday is I do have a package coming from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and put that cute little package box from ScribblePrintsCo. It's cute and purple and it just goes well with the kit. And I'm kind of going in and looking for some of my other scrap stickers that I have, and I'm putting down another arrow with the little car, and that's just to remind myself to go to my sister's work because I do need to drop off some stuff to her. And then the next thing I'm going to do after that is go and get my hair cut. So, and there you see me trying to get that laid down just perfect and straight. And then laying down the little scissors and comb because I'm going to Bird's Barbershop and get my hair trimmed. I normally have my hair done in a bob, and or a short bob, and now I'm trying to let it grow out. Same style of haircut, just letting it grow out, but I haven't cut my hair in like 6 months, and so it's really starting to get tangled, and I absolutely need to go get my hair trimmed because I don't want any more damage to happen. And so then I'm going to lay down a TV sticker, and I put down a purple glitter header between the dinner sticker and the TV sticker, and that is to remind myself that The Good Doctor is on. Moving on to Tuesday, I do have a package coming from Ipsy, and then I have gotten really bad with all like my makeup samples because I subscribe to the Sephora Playbox and to the Ipsy bag, and I've been busy the end part of the year, and I have, like, sad to say, but I had like 5 months of Ipsy bags and Sephora Playboxes that the samples are just sitting on my vanity, and I actually absolutely need to put them away. So I need to do that on Tuesday. And then after that, I do need to stop by H-E-B before I head off to work. There are a couple of things that I do need to get that are specifically for work. So I will stop and do that. And then, of course, you see me there putting the organized makeup sticker on the wrong spot. And then I'm like, wait, I messed up. That sticker goes above. And so we fix it real quick. And then I just put down one of the little shopping cart stickers from SPC. Right down there. And in case I haven't mentioned it before, SPC stands for ScribblePrintsCo, which I'm pretty sure all of you planner gals know that. I'm a big fan of ScribblePrintsCo and Andre Marie and her team and how they kill it. So next thing, I am putting down a half box on Wednesday because my brother, I texted him the other day and just to see how he was doing, and he reminded me that Cody Johnson is going to be on the Today Show, and that's who my brother works for. So I want to make sure I get to see that. And my brother did send me a pic while they were there on set, and you could just see him in his cowboy hat with the Today Show emblem in the background when they were on the studio set. So that was kind of neat and interesting. I'm really proud of my baby brother. And then below that, I put down one of these little scribblers holding an SP because I'm getting Happy Mail from SPC. And then I put down a quarter box with a film slate because I need to edit clips, and then I put down a TV show for watching Modern Family. And then moving on to Thursday, I put the little pillow with the eyelashes because I'm going to sleep in. I love to sleep in. Who doesn't, right? And then I put down the quarter box there with some little pins, and that is to remind me that it is the Pin Gems VIP early release, because I need to book it over there and get some pins for the satin release collection. I did receive the collection as a PR package because I am a Pin Gem affiliate, and I wanted to make sure that I went and I bought some extra pins for gifts because they were really cute. And then I put down a half box with the little camera there to remind myself to film today and edit. And on to Friday, I put one of the fancy banners down to edit, upload videos, because I need to finish whatever I didn't finish on Thursday on Friday morning. Then I put down a half box with the little scribbler girl in the car, and that is to remind myself to go pick up my niece from school, as I do that every Friday. And then I put down a TV reminder for RuPaul's Drag Race. And then I went back and reminded myself that it is the general release of the Pin Gem Satin collection. That way I can remind myself to put a little Instagram reminder and plus upload my video for the collection. And on Saturday, and my roommate's going to go see Justin Timberlake, so it's just going to kind of be me on Saturday. So I put a half box there to remind myself to clean my makeup brushes and my beauty blenders, and since I'm going to have the apartment all to myself, I am going to take advantage and do all my laundry, and also go through my vanity and de-stash my makeup. So that little laundry with the laundry line there is from the kit. The girl is the old scribbler girl, Jennifer, from ScribblePrintsCo. And then I use one of those YSL lipsticks to remind myself to de-stash my makeup, and that sticker again is from ScribblePrintsCo. And then up at the top I put the little church reminder there, and then I put a quarter box to clean apartment, and it just, need to tidy up a bit. And then I put down the little cleaning bucket that actually came with the kit because I thought it was really cute. And then I put down a quarter box with the little grocery bag, and it says pack for the work week. And that's just to remind myself to pack snacks and all that kind of stuff, because like I said, working at night at the hospital that I work at, the cafeteria is already closed, and there's no way for me to actually leave the hospital once I arrive, so I need to take everything that I need with me. And then I found some deco, or what I would consider deco, on one of those pages that were there, and so I went ahead and I just sprinkled it all over the top. And now I'm going to lay down that final piece of glitter washi to complete the spread. And that's pretty much it. That is my spread for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.